Hello folks. Today we are in the middle of doing a fire burnt house. You've been watching us go through this and we're going to do a whole series on this. But what we did was we've done one of them already on lead and plaster walls, and we got a whole bunch more. It's going to be look at that, it's all charcoaled up there. But what I wanted to talk about is my cinder block walls. So this house has got a cinder block exterior, but what happens is when this heat gets so much that it'll literally crack and compromise our mortar joints and our cinder block, and that means it's structurally no longer sound. So what I'm looking for now, and here's one other thing to think about. Look at this severe heat that's been going through here, and with all this heat, then they came in here with this cold water, which they had to, the firemen, and they blasted this super hot wall with this super cold water. Wham! You knew that we was going to have troubles. But what I wanted to share with you here is the crackage. I don't know if you could, okay, here you go. You could kind of see some crackage already occurring. See that? Right along that top mortar joint, going up through here. See how it's crossing over, going back up, stair-stepping right on up the wall. So that's telling me this whole wall has to be replaced. Cinder block wall. It's going to have to be tested from one end to the other. Honestly, the more I'm in this house, the more I'm wondering if it's even worth saving. It's really, really bad. Hey, folks, hey, follow this. We're going to be a whole series of these, and it's going to be very educational from from this part of it all the way to the end of the project. So they're going to be probably a whole year's worth of different programs and series on this. Going to do a lot of blogs on this to educate the folks, and maybe even a few radio shows. Anyway, folks, thank you very much for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe, and if you would, please pray for these poor people. God knows they need your prayers today. Thank you. Have a great day.